Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we have came here with a new video on collection modules in Python. So let's get started. So for importing collection module, you have to just write import and then collections. Now after that, what you have to do, there are built-in functions present in collection module that we can use to counter the particular dictionary and find the count of particular elements. How we can do it? As you can see, first you have to write the collection class, and from the collection class you have to find this function that is counter, and inside this function you can take a list also. So here you will see we have taken a list of elements, and then I'm storing it in a counter variable. Then when I'll execute this line and when I'll print counter, you will see you will get the count of each element, that 1 is how many times, then 2 is how many times, then 3 is 4 times, 4 is 1 times, 5 is 1 times, so on. Then after that, you can apply four built-in functions on this counter variable for finding the most common pair. Suppose when we want to find the first most common pair, so that is 3, that has been occurred as you can see here 4 times. Then if you want to find two most common out of this dictionary, then two most commons are 3, 4 and 1, 2. Then when you want to find the three most common, then you will see that 3 comma 4, then 1 2, and then 2 comma 2. These are the three most commons from this dictionary. Okay, now we could not only find the count of a list, we could find the count of the a string also. Suppose I have taken the list here, a string here, CL coding, and I'm storing it in counter. Now when we print counter, you will see it is giving the count of the alphabets, that C is 2 times, L is 1 times, O is 1 time, and so on. Now suppose I want to print only of one, a count of only one alphabet. Suppose here I want to find the count of C. So I'll write here C, and I'll execute the cell and it will give me the count of C. Now when I want to find the count of O, so I'll just write O and it will give me the count of only O. And similarly, I can find the most common also. So here the most common is C. Then if I want to find the most common of 2, then I will just change from this 1 to 2, and here you will see C comma 2 and L 1. These are the two most commons. Now here you will see in counter 2 I'm storing the n-raven, and it is giving us the count of each element present in n-raven. Now what I will do, I will take one more variable in counter 3, that is eraven, and I'll print counter 3. Now I want to perform a subtract method on counter 2, and I want to subtract the counter 3 from the counter 2. So I'll just execute it, and in counter 2, when I want to print counter 2, what will happen? As you can see, this counter 3 eraven is getting subtracted from this counter 2 n teraven, and only n and t are left, and else I, R, A, W, E, everything is getting subtracted from this counter 2, and only n and t are left. So this is how you can use the collection modules. Thanks for watching the video. We'll see you in the next video.